Check, check. Sorry about that. Mic was switched over for some reason. That was my mistake. Sorry about that. We're back live. So sorry about that. Ooh, big push down. Filling that gap now on the 5 minute. You want to see that gap fill. We didn't fill it yet, though. We got close, but we still haven't filled the gap on the 5 minute. Jamil, good morning. Sorry, yeah, I was too focused. I was ready for Big Mama to trigger. I was getting ready for a trade. Sorry about that. Jamil, good morning. Swam, good morning. YL, I'm scalping on the 1 tick chart. I tried that. You can't even open it. Ninja Trader freezes. It's just too much data. Too much data. Pablo, good morning. Live free or fight. Good morning. Day trader, good morning. Appreciate the forgiveness. I mean, you want to fill that gap still on the 5 minute chart. That's what I'm thinking, but this has to be it. There it is. All right. Yeah, there it is. 5 minute gap filled. Finally. We're so close to it. We triggered Big Mom on the 5 minute chart. Oh, day trader thinks the 1 tick chart's too slow. Big push down. Will we ever see Big Mama? Will we ever see Big Mama here? A strong bear bar ending on its low 2500 tick chart. You're thinking follow through on that 2500 tick chart. Sit on my pause. I guess it's a downtrend for now. I want to wait for one candle to finish on the 5 minute chart at least. Confusing, to be honest. Okay, decent push down. All right, decent follow through on that 2500 tick chart. All right, strong bear bar ending on its low, a little bit of follow through. That could be confirmation we were going to go down further with that follow through. That's a bar reversal. Wow, snaps back up. Real strong. Like IOO pattern right now. Very confusing. IOO pattern. Like very confusing here. IOO breaks to the upside. Tony EMA. Is there an auto scroll function on NinjaTrader? Actually, yeah, there is. The top right of the screen, you can see a little arrow. If you click that arrow that's pointing to the left, that will bring your chart like to the most recent candle and keep it there. But if you move it after that, then it's gonna change it. Wow, big push up, big push back down. So sick, so sick. This movement. Makes a new low. Confusing. I mean, this is confusing for me. Right now it's a downtrend though, but it is a bit confusing for me. Strong bull running on its high. This is wild. I'm sitting on my paws. Very confusing. Trading range. We're on our trend line now as well. You think the market's going to really fly, right? Especially when the weekly chart looks like this. But the truth is, there is a big gap on the Globex session that needs to be filled. Right? It happened on Monday last week. There's a gap here in the Globex session that needs to be filled, and it's most likely going to get filled within the week or two. And even though we look super bullish here, this gap will fill. It's just almost a guarantee it will fill. Second just short here. Ah! 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 I could try. I could try. Trading range, triggers. I guess I'll take the trap instead. Even the trap I don't really love. We're in the trap. Yeah, even the trap I don't really love. I could reverse it, but I'll just take the hit. Yeah, I knew something was funky there. 2500 tick trap here. I'll try this as well. I knew something funky was going to happen there. It didn't feel right. It really didn't feel right. It's okay, small loss. Fail second entry long on the 2500 tick. I'll try for a double top. This double top here. The only problem is you got like 5 overlapping bars in a row, which is going to cause some problem maybe. An outside bar reversal, which can cause some problems as well. Got 2 red flags here, right? 5 overlapping bars in a row, and also outside bar reversal. Regardless, I'm going to try to take the appropriate risk here, which is this. Even this. Right. Trap on the 2500 tick is going to fail. This could really launch to the upside here. If a failed trap like that, it could really launch. If anything, I could try with a small stop loss. Very small stop loss. Extend this a little bit. Thinking there might be sellers here. And scale in one time. Nope, exploding to the upside. Yep. Like I said. The failed trap could lead to an explosion to the upside here. Alright. I guess the market's made its decision. We're going to launch here. Very tricky. Very tricky. Let's see. If we hit Big Mama here. I extended my stop loss a little bit thinking it might turn to a trading range, but I didn't want to extend it too much, and I just took the hit. If it reverses here, there's just not much I can do, but I could not predict, you know, it was going to go way up here and then bounce this high. Feels like I just short, I'll try. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Big Mama about the trigger. Reverses. Okay, I'll take it. If it comes back up, it's good for us. Really good for us. I don't like the follow through. No follow through. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. Just watching. Watching. Big Mama about a trigger. Oh, it hasn't triggered yet, but it's about to trigger. Ooh, I thought this Big Mama was going to go. Not much has happened. Big Mama, I need you to launch here. Ooh, it looks like Big Mama's going to fail. It's struggling. It's struggling here. It's my break even. I'll take it out here.
Target filled.
Whoa, give me a little bit more. Let's get it. We got one runner. Oh, we got two runners, actually. We got two runners. We're up 1K right now. Whoa. Let's get it. Please don't come back to break even. Just keep lifting off. Super strong bull bar. Oh. No follow through. Super strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. You're thinking it's going to lift off here a little bit.
Target.
Okay. I'll take it. I will take that. I will absolutely take this. Just give me some more. Any reason to reverse it? Any reason to think this is going to reverse? Is there? Is there any reason we're going to think this is going to reverse here on us? I'm going to just keep moving every pivot now. Every pivot, we're going to move our stop loss. Darn shame. Every pivot, I was trying to move the stop loss. Hey, we're up 1,500. I'll take it. Easy peasy. I don't know. Should I keep trading on these accounts? I mean, we've hit 1,500 like 6 days in a row on these accounts. We're absolutely killing it right now. Is it even worth keep trading these accounts? I mean, I just need like 2 more days to withdraw. We're up $9,000. We're up $9,000 on the top left of your screen. You can see we're up $9,000 on these accounts. I mean, is there any more reason to keep trading on the Apex accounts? Should we switch over? Should we switch over to our TPT accounts? Second entry long here. Second entry long here. I mean, is there any other reason? Is there any more reason to? I mean, if you've been following me, last 6 days in a row, we've made max. Okay. Snaps back down. Insane. It's like we had news or something. Snaps back down like we had news or something. Jeez Louise. What in the world was that? That was crazy. Yeah, I'm glad I took my profits where I did. I took it like pretty much as best as I could, I think. Right? We just took it on the next pivot, or we just kept raising every pivot. And yeah, we made some good band. We're at 1,500. I mean, that's pretty much max, but technically we can make more than this now because we have increased our account balance by a lot. By a lot. All right, I guess it's time to switch. Let's just take a moment to just bask in how amazing we're doing right now on these accounts. Let's just take a moment to bask in how amazing we're doing. We took an amazing trade and we scaled in that amazing trade. Scaling in a trade, absolutely sick. And I think we did it. We did well. I mean, I'll take that. I'll take that for sure. It's like I just short here. Is it reversing? Could easily reverse here. Could be a reversal. Could be a reversal here. That second just short, sort of tempting. I'm just going to let this play out though. Yeah, spike channel. Reversing on the spiking channel. Oh, eye pattern here. Most likely to keep going down. Live free or fight. Nice trade. I appreciate it. Make sure you scalp that like button. We're just gonna bask in the greatness of the amazing performance we're having right now on these accounts. 6 days in a row making more than 1,500 across 5 accounts. That means every single day we've been making what? $4,500. $4,500 a day keeps the doctor away. keeps the boss away, right? I'm gonna gamble my 300k eval on NFP. What is NFP? What are NFPs? What are those? NFTs or NFPs? More than 4,500, absolutely. NFP. Oh, non-farm payroll. Let me look at the news. I think there's bigger news than that, to be honest. You have the Wednesday core PC price index. That's bigger news than the NFP, in my opinion. The core PC price index is inflationary, and I think it's bigger news, in my opinion. May not be, but just in my opinion. It's bigger news. What is a core inflationary theory? Core PC price index, 10 a.m. Wednesday. We'll be streaming. All right. At 10 o'clock, I'm going to switch over. We'll trade the, we're going to trade our, should I just switch over now? And welcome to TPT Pro Plus. TPT Pro Plus. So something interesting is happening. I can't actually log into Tradeovate. I can't log into Tradeovate while I'm logged in on NinjaTrader. It's weird because I did it on Friday. I just can't do it today. I don't know why. But you can't log in more than 2 sessions. So I can't show you where my account balance is. So you're just going to have to look at the P&L and I'll just tell you what the account balance is right now. We actually had a pretty rough day on Friday. And when I say we, I mean me. So currently the accounts, even though I'm up 838, altogether I'm down 1,300. But we're gonna climb up slowly on these accounts. Right, these accounts are Pro Plus accounts. That means we get a 90-10 split and we can withdraw in one day. That's the sickest thing ever. We can withdraw in one single day and no consistency rules, which is even better. Wow, I'm down 2K. Scalping the one tick chart. Don't even try it. Pablo. Panda question. Intake profit, I pass an eval. How is it transformed to P account? Not pro. I don't understand. Pro account. So there's 2 things. There's a pro and pro plus account. The pro account is basically the same thing as a funded account or PA account on Apex. Basically, once you pass your test, they will email you probably around, I don't know, 10 p.m. ish. And then they'll tell you, hey, like your account passed. We're gonna make sure you can get the pro account. And then once they do their checks or whatever, which honestly is I don't know what they're checking. I mean, it's a test account. As long as like you just abide by the rules, then you should be fine. Then once they send the email, wait for like another email saying, okay, now you can do it. And then you have to go into your control center and then like sign the agreement. And then once you sign the agreement, like if it's your first time, especially, I think you have to sign a couple things. And then once you sign those things, then you'll see another tab, like different tabs populate on the control center. Like for me, like before I think the pro account, before I got pro account, I'm not sure the pro account tab was there. But now that I'm pro plus, right, you get another like they added like more tabs for me. So this is wild. Look at this. No pullbacks, no breaking above the previous candle's high in this whole sequence. Very bearish, very bearish. 2500 tick chart, even like so many bear bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear bars in a row. Coming off the previous week's high, I mean, this could be a big push down. I mean, we could be in downtrend rest of the day. This could be a downtrend day today. Like this could be a morning reversal type day on the 5-minute. Strong bull move, morning reversal, and just downtrend rest of the day. That could be possible. It could absolutely be possible today. Absolutely be possible. Strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Huge bear bar. And the nice thing and the important thing about this one is that if it closes a strong bear bar here, it's beneath all these pivots. Like if we can close beneath this pivot, I think it's yeah. We haven't broken a previous candle's high yet on the 500 tick chart. This one might be it right here. Who knows? Okay, we finally break a previous candle's high in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22 candles it took. That's pretty rare. 22 candles without breaking a previous candle's high. You don't see that very often, to be honest. That makes me feel like this is a very strong downtrend, like a lot stronger than you think. And I'm going to look for a short here. A second entry short would be beautiful. I would love that. I kind of doubt we're going to get it. Probably first entry is going to be good here because of how strong this move is. Like this first entry is probably going to make a new low. If we get a second entry short, I'll take it, but I just doubt. I doubt we'll get the setup. I surely doubt it. But if we get it, I'll take it. See, we missed the setup. It tried to make the setup, but the downtrend is so strong. First entry only, right? It almost made the setup. I mean, I was just being patient, waiting for a setup, but you know what can you do? You wait for your setup, didn't get it. It's fine. Move on. Next trade. We were really close. I was very excited for the setup to happen, but it didn't happen. It created this bull bar. I was like ready for it to break a previous candle's high again, but it didn't give it to us. So it's all good, you know. It is what it is. Move on. We'll look for another setup. There's plenty to be had here. Another first entry. Is it worth? Just keep going first entry shorts here. Ooh. Ooh, if it comes back down, we'll try. All right. Second entry short. It's like 4 overlapping bars in a row, but this is the first second entry short we got in this whole sequence down. It's worth a shot for me, especially if the signal bar is this big, right? Very small risk here. Very small risk here. Second entry short. I mean, if we get a good signal bar, even better. Even better if we get a good signal bar. Signal bar's not looking too hot, right? All dojis along the way up here. I still think we're a very strong downtrend, so I'm gonna keep setting this up. Almost triggers. Doesn't quite trigger, almost triggers though. Oh, I pattern. Breaks to the upside. It's fine with me. Still trying to go short here. Whatever short I can take. Whatever short I can get, I'm going to take it. Balancing up quite strong. Gonna look for a good signal bar here. Let's go for 2. I'm pretty certain this downtrend's not done. Geez, I couldn't even get in. Alright, here we go. Wow, reversal? Wow, I'm glad I didn't get in. It was a really good signal bar. Man, everything about that trade was like picture perfect. Wow, that's pretty terrible. Right? Beautiful signal bar coming off the 20 MA. Super strong downtrend. It gives you a strong bull bar like that. That's sick. I'm glad I missed it because I would have lost that trade. But jeez, how tricky can you get? How absolutely tricky can you get? That's wild. That's wild. Feels like it just short works. Jeez. Jesus. Jesus. Does it count as like using the Lord's name in vain if I say Jesus? Jesus. It's not really saying Jesus. It's like cheese. It's saying us. Cheese us. Is that too close for comfort? Is that too close for comfort? I better go confession. It's a very Catholic thing to say. Just to be Jesus. Alright. Hey, now it's not breaking a previous candle's low. Amazing. I thought we were in a strong downtrend. I mean, when I see something like this is not regular. This is not regular. Usually strong move. 20 or 5-minute chart, right? We have a trading range. Hitting the bottom of it, bouncing off of it, so I don't know. Maybe getting back to the top of the trading range, not sure. I love where we're at though. Let's just keep calm, stay calm. Man, that is tricky though, right? In my opinion, that's a really good trade. You got a huge downtrend, like really strong downtrend. In fact, can you even say, you can maybe even say we came off this trend line. That is a good trade, man. It's a shame that it doesn't work out. You do have an undershoot, which could lead to an overshoot, which is what's happening, but man. I'm just thinking about how good of a trade that looked. Super good signal bar too. Like underneath the 20 MA. That is like aesthetically one of the best second entry shorts I've seen in a long time. And it just completely reverses and breaks everyone's neck. Sick. What can you do about it? It is what it is. Super strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. Ending on its high. All right. Okay. Big push down. You're thinking one more low, right? You want to test this low. 2500 tick chart. It's just a bounce off the 20 MA. That's all that was. The second entry low might be forming here. 2500 tick chart. Just bouncing off the 20 MA as it is. A super strong push down. You're thinking with a bare leg like this, there's gonna be some follow through, in my opinion. Like you're gonna retest the lows some way, in my opinion, but maybe not. But I think that is a strong enough leg down where it's like you want to test the lows. One more time. But who knows? I mean, V bottoms happen often, so they're not uncommon. Usually, before traders feel very confident to go long in a situation like that, like they want one more test. They want a double test. They say, okay, we see the bulls here, or really what the institutions are doing, they're accumulating here, letting it come back down, and accumulate again because they can't accumulate. Like if they want to go long, they can't accumulate all at once. They have to accumulate a couple times. So they accumulate here. If it comes back down, then accumulate again with they want to be a long. Second entry long here on the 500 tick chart. This to me still feels like it needs another push down. Let's go here. Let's try this. It's a fail second entry long. We're looking for it. See if we can get it. I'm not interested in that short. Looks like the second entry long is going to work out. It looks like it's going to work out, right? It's creating a triangle here, actually. Okay. Maybe testing the highs here. That's fair. Test the highs here. Making a double top before reversing. Second entry short. Wow, big push up. Really strong push up. Almost breakout-ish. Crazy price action. Crazy. Okay, strong push up. This reverses. Second entry short setting up on the 2500 tick chart. It looks nice. Only problem is the risk is huge. Not huge, but it's big. If we're to take it. If you guys don't know, right now I'm trading the TPT Pro Plus accounts. And I can't show you the account balance because I cannot log in to Tradeovate. And that's how I was showing account balance, right? Logging to Tradeovate. It shows you the drawdown, shows you everything you need to show or everything you need to see. But the thing is that this is not sim. We are absolutely trading the live market. That means my contract is actually going to be in the books now. It's actually going to be in the books. You know what that means? That means institution can actually stop hunting me now. They can actually try to stop hunting me. Okay, fails like I just short here. This is a strong uptrend. It is what it is. I just can't partake like this. I can't partake in this when it looks like this, in my opinion. All right, 2500 tick chart V bottom, essentially. I got like 6 overlapping bars in a row here. Tate, good morning. Welcome, welcome. Lazy, welcome. What would you say got you to go more profitable? A lot of little adjustments. It's a lot of little things. More contracts. Going all in. A lot of little things. Being more patient. Being honest with myself and my mental capital. Being like, really honest with my, I really thought I could trade all day and be focused, but I just can't. Like creating windows for myself, like to be able to rest. I'm gonna try here. It's an ugly, right, overlapping bars, but I feel like this wants to keep going down one more time. And the risk is not too big. I'm gonna just trade with one contract here. If it reverses, so be it. But I think it needs to make a new low here. And if it doesn't, so be it. But this is my risk reward. I think it's pretty good risk reward here. Well, I kind of feel like I can just short. Interesting. Right, we got the kind of like a break a trend to new high here. And we're getting demolished on this trade. I mean, that's kind of what I get, right? Completely overlapping bars trying to go short here. I thought it was worth it. The risk is not too big, but I mean, obviously, you don't want to lose. It's a second inch short, right? On a really strong push down. Second inch short. Looking for a new low, or at least an attempt of a test. Okay, that's good news for me. Kind of pushes down again here. I can come up break even if I don't like it. Pretty much. Don't want to come up break even here. Do not like this reaction. Strong bull bar, but no follow through a super strong bull bar. If it pushes up again here, this could be the end of me. Curious to see what happens here. Lean into your mistakes. Whoa, pops up. Still lean into your mistakes here. $20 EMA rising upwards, being quite bullish. Ooh, okay, we'll try. Lean into your mistakes here.
2500 tick trap.
Sure thing. I just take my stuff. I just take the hit here if it comes up here. But we're gonna try to go short one more time. See if we get a nice move down. Okay. Like for sure, I'm gonna come out on the trap here. I'm gonna take the hit here. If we can't go, if it comes back up here, if it can't go more down further than this, then it is what it is. Like if I can't even come out break even here, then all right, come out break even at least. That's what traders were doing. Come out break even there. Yeah, I lost my chance. I lost my chance to come out break even. It did come out. It did allow me to come out break even there. In my opinion, I might as well just hold it. I already took all the risk here, so let's just take the hit. I already took all the risk you could possibly take here. A strong bull bar, like this is certainly going to take me out, in my opinion. Like if it doesn't take me out here, I'd be really surprised actually. If it doesn't take me out here, I'll be pretty surprised actually. It's like clearly above the 20 MA. Strong bull bar ending on near its high, or good looking bull bar. Right, yeah. I don't know how I'm still alive. I don't know how I'm still alive in this trade, but I still am. Let's see. We're still above the 20 MA. Snaps back down again. This could be the final straw to break the camel's back. Okay, pushes down. I mean, I took all the risk already. I might as well just hold this trade, see what happens. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. Could have came out break even again. I think a lot of traders do that. 1, 2, triple bottom, come out break even multiple times. Super strong bull bar ending on its high. I'm about to get stopped out here. It's all good. I think I had like appropriate stop. Just take the hit. Pretty much coming out break even today. Oh, yeah, pretty much break even. Unfortunately, that didn't work out. I could have came out break even 1, 2 times there on that trade. But for me, I already took all the risk, and I'll just say, you know, let's just see what happens. Unfortunately, it doesn't work out. We're down 60. Um, yeah, I was up 800. Now down 60. It's all good. I thought it was worth the try and the double up, right, with the failed second entry long. I thought it was worth it. At the end, this ended up just being it ended up just getting very choppy on us, and it's just it's just you just stay away from this, right? This is like stay away from the market type situation when it looks like this. The only reason why I was trading is because I was already in the trade. But when the 2500 tick chart has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 overlapping bars in a row, then you should stay away from it. But I take the trade, I take the chance, right? Because such a strong push down. You're thinking it's gonna have some follow through off the 20 EMA. Actually, decent looking signal bar as well. But obviously, this is looking weird now. It's doing like so many overlapping bars. It's not much you can do here. It is what it is. I'll take the hit. Down 60, pretty much break even. I mean, it's not the worst. It sucks to be up 800 and down back to negative 60. That sucks, but what can you do about it? You gotta take the trades when you see it. It is what it is. You know, I gotta wait now till markets clear up here. Let me see. Galapti up and ready. Good morning, good evening, India. Hello, welcome. More contracts. While 3 loss differentials, game changer, yeah. Yeah, if I could ever abide by it, but yeah. Panda, with TPT, after the sim, do you need to make another 1500 for 25k account before you can withdraw in the pro account? Or you're going to start the pro account with 1500? Yeah, unfortunately, bad news. You start at 0 and you got to make another 1500 to get above the safety net, right? There's a safety net. They call it a buffer, but it's a safety net, same thing. And what that means is that you need to make above anything above 1500 you can start withdrawing, but you need to make a safety net first, and the safety net is always equal to the threshold amount. So sorry, yeah, bad news. I know you didn't want to hear that, but that's what it is. It is what it is. Completely overlapping bars here, but now it's a better short here, right? Lower high, second entry short, failed trap, even a juicier short to take, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row. We're sitting on our pause here. Absolutely, just market just became drained of all volatility, and I mean, it is what it is. When the market's like this, just no reason to trade. Just gotta wait for a better opportunity. It does look like it wants to go down though, right? Oh, I pattern 5-minute chart. I hate it. This is what we call greed, but I'll try. Whatever. This is what we call greed, pandas. When you know you shouldn't be trading, but you're gonna trade anyways. You know you shouldn't be trading, but you're gonna trade anyways. Oh, I pattern on the 5-minute chart is what's basically convinced me to go in here, and I'm gonna get burned, huh? The moment it triggers, it just snaps back up. You know you're not in a good trade. But creating an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart, it made me feel like there was more credence, right? Second entry short. It's like some confluence here. A little more reason to go short here because of that OI pattern. And I'm going to get burned. That's what we call greed, pandas. Greed. I knew I shouldn't trade. I did it anyways, where I saw the second short on the 2500 tick chart. I saw the OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. And I said, you know what? Let's try anyways, even though I know this is not a good time to trade. And here we are, negative. Probably going to lose $500 on this trade. All good. All good, whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is. What can you do? It is what it is. I'm just going to take the hit. What can you do? Sometimes OI patterns are like unstoppable. They work like every time. Sometimes OI patterns just fail every time. It really depends on the day. But this is like crazy consolidation, and it's just unfortunate. Fortune has to happen like this. Again, just take the hit. The appropriate risk here is just the top of this inside bar OI pattern, right? Outside, inside, and you just try to get the one-to-one here. I want to go short here because of the strong bear move here, and I thought the OI pattern might be favorable to the downside, but it looks like it's going to stop me out pretty soon. It is what it is, though. Darn shame. It is what it is. Tough. All volatility got just sapped out of the market, creating super chop here. This is like super chop. It's like this is not your regular chop. This is like the super chop here. Choppier than usual. Take the full risk. I mean, it keeps pushing down. Could have a chance still, but I don't know if it's strong enough to break out the chop. All right, you might get a decent trade here. The OI pattern could work out still. I can come out break even again. Ooh, OI looking good here now. Looking real good. Looking real juicy. I can take my risk off here. But I think I should let it cook a little bit, right? I should let this cook. Because it looks pretty good. I should let this cook. I'm scared. I'm taking a break even. I'm so scared. I think I gotta let this cook, pandas. I gotta let it cook a little bit, no? I gotta let this cook. I'm sorry. I'm gonna let it cook. It can reverse all the way back up, but I gotta let it cook a little bit. Yeah, that's what I was scared of. That's what I was really scared of. Like, I wanted to let it cook, and this is like the problem of letting something cook. This is what can happen. And so many times I go into trades and I come out break even, kind of like regretting it because it ends up making the move after I take it out. But that's the risk of letting something cook. And the price action, it looked very bearish, and I wanted to have one reversal, but it just snapped back up. This price action is just rude. It's very difficult. Look at the 2500 tick chart, right? You got all these overlapping bars in a row now. 5 minute, right? OIO pattern now. It's just tough. What can you do? I mean, we might come out of the consolidation now, but the 5 minute, I mean, I really thought we are going to have one more push down. So, with a super strong push down like this, yeah, I think you just have to let that cook. I don't know. It is what it is. I'm down 616. It's pretty painful. I think I have about 1,400 of 1,400 left in trailing threshold. I think around there. It's plenty of threshold, but still, it's like a darn shame. It's just like it got way too choppy, and I thought the 2,500 tick right trap right also triggers like it actually triggered this up and made an outside bar right. It actually created a trap, and that trap failed. A lot of things going for it. Snaps back up. Really, until it comes out, gets out of this like vortex, I can't trade. Right? It needs to get out of this like trading range. Like, it's just impossible to trade for me. I mean, unless you just trade with limit orders, you could be making a lot of money actually here. It's just sick. Look at this 5 minute chart. Strong bull bar ending on tie, just reverses. It's so sick. There's no setups though. It's untradeable, but that's so sick. Top of the trade back to the bottom trading range. It just became super choppy here. It's like, it's not just choppy, it's like super choppy. And the question is, what's my next setup? I don't even know. I don't even know what my next setup is. Like for me, this inside bar trade, I end up risking, I entered here. It came like pretty much like all the way up here. I like risked 25 points. Like there was no way for me that I was not going to try to get 25 points after risking 25 points. To me, it's just like you're going to be a losing trader if you can't hold that for the appropriate profit. I think for me, a big thing
5-minute
for
trap.
my profitability is getting better risk reward. Finding those good trades that can give you better risk reward. Taking only S tier setups type situations. Unfortunately, every time I trade the TPT Pro Plus accounts, the market turns to doo-doo caca. Like the Apex, when I was trading Apex, it looked beautiful. Just beautiful movement. The moment I turn to TPT Plus, the market says, Bye Money is trading on the live accounts. Let's take him out. Take me out everywhere I go. It is what it is, though. It's unfortunate. It's just like there's nothing you can do when the price action turns to this. But you gotta try. Like I tried 3 times here. And it's like honestly you should just stop trading because the market is not being favorable to you. The market's not favorable to you right now, so it's like you might as well stop trading or otherwise you're just keep trading an unfavorable market. There's like you're basically trading at a disadvantage and there's just no reason to do it. But that's what it is right now. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at this bull bar and this bear bar. It's just disgusting. It's just so disgusting. It's like pure limit order market right now. Just gonna stay away from it.
Five-minute trap.
Jeez. It's nasty price action. Look at the 5-minute. Super strong bull bar ending on its high and super strong bear bar ending on its low. It's just signs of a limit order market. Which you can see here that this is a limit order market. And again, here's a limit order market. You can see, even though it's going down, it is clearly a limit order market, right? Like, it just keeps alternating between candles. Bull, bear, bull, bear, bull, bear. It's almost a perfect alternation. Bear bar, bull bar, 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 bear bar. Is this next bar going to be a bull bar? Okay, now we're pushing down after all the nonsense, but still, I don't know. I just don't trust this market. I don't trust this one. I don't trust this market. Technically, I lost. Well, let's see. My differential. I won here. And I lost 3 here. So I have one more loss in me. One more loss in me. I'm saying I'm 1-3. If I can't win this next trade, I'm just shutting it down. I'm just shutting it down. I just need one time good price action with these accounts. We'll absolutely kill it. It's just the price action has been absolute doo-doo caca. We eventually finally come back down to test this low. Like, it took forever, but we finally eventually make some sort of attempt to test this low, which I thought we are going to do eventually, but I didn't know we had to go through all this nonsense right through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, let's say 13 overlapping bars in a row on the 2500 tick chart. I didn't know we had to go through all that nonsense, but it is what it is. I mean, it's just that's the market. It's gonna do that to you. You know, it's gonna do that to you. Push down. Second short. Nonsense price action, guys. Second short here, but look at this. 5-minute trading range. Hits the bottom of the range almost perfectly. Just ricochets off of it. So sick. Gold? You serious? Wait. This is gold right now? I'm about to just buy right here on gold. Gold's looking juicy. Very strong. Should I just buy gold? Always in long on gold. Let's see. See if I can make some money on gold here. I don't think the 2500 tick. I don't think the Nascraq is. Oh, interesting. I can't trade gold. I can't trade gold on the my TPT account. Interesting. I don't know why. Can't trade gold. Not allowed to trade gold. Interesting. Didn't expect that. Give me an error when I tried to trade gold. Just always in long. Just buy here. Scalp it. Feels like I just short in like bad price action. There's a little gap here that's probably going to fill eventually. There's a little gap here, like literal gap of price action here. Hard to see, but there's a little teeny gap here. These don't last very long. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets filled like now. Like on this leg down. Feels like I just short. Does it mean anything? No clue. It's just absolute trash price action. Is this a trade I'm gonna... Right, I have one more loss. Once I have one more loss, I'm done. I don't know if that's a trade I want to take. Ends up being a nice trade, though. I mean, at least it looks like it's gonna scalp pretty well. Good trigger bar. Strong bull bar ending on high. That's the best. Right, that's what you want to see. The main thing that stopped me from taking that trade was this gap here, thinking it was gonna fill. If we didn't have that gap there, I might have taken it, but because there's like that slight chance that this gap will fill, I didn't want to take. I didn't want to try. Coming back into this choppiness, right? With the force. Day trader. That bamboo is looking juicy too. No diddy. While that's the diddiest thing I've ever heard. You can't say something diddy and then just say no diddy and you think you're okay with it, you know? You can't say like that guy is so sexy, no homo. I mean, it's just like just because you say no homo doesn't mean like you can say whatever you want. It doesn't just completely cancel out your statement, you know what I mean? So choppy. It's so crazy. I mean, I'm just sitting on pause. I mean, this is the easiest thing to do. Don't do anything. Mrs. Panda heard that. Just crying in her room. Saying, I knew it. I knew it all along. Don't diddle. Don't diddy. Don't diddy in the midi. Don't diddy in the midi here. Can't diddy in the midi. As long as we're like in this interstellaric black hole, there's nothing I can do here. It's just so sick. This price action. What else is the Ruzi fan club was just a distraction. By the way, I didn't create this fan club, but maybe I should take credit for it now, because you guys are having weird thoughts now. Mrs. Panda was like, I knew when I found all those Ronda Rousey pics on your phone, something was up. No straight, no straight male would actually like Ronda Rousey. No straight panda would actually like Ronda. Chris Cyborg. You can't be that obvious. It's like China from WWF. Who thinks China was actually attractive? China. Trump loves China. Did anyone have a crush on China? Think about the name China. Like, isn't that so crazy? Like, we live in different times. The 90s was a great time. There was literally an Asian girl wrestler, and her name was China. Like, like it was like the Power Rangers when you match all the skin colors with the costume colors. Like Black Ranger was black, Yellow Ranger was Asian. So, what a wonderful time we come from. This market is basically China right now. Jeez, I can't trade this. It's not tradable for me. It is what it is. Stacy Keibler? I don't know who that is. Who's that? She's a wrestler? I was like a big fan of wrestling. Whoa, when did she wrestle? Oh, WCW. Oh no, I don't remember her. I don't remember this girl. Well, I see her with Ric Flair. She's WCW. Man, I don't remember her. Jeez. Of course you don't remember her. Like, why would I care about her? Not Ric Flair. What's his name? It's Frankenstein. What was the two Frankenstein brothers? Panda, you know the first rock and roll song all kids like growing up in the 90s? No, I don't. No. It was that's a tombstone, Frankenstein. Frankenstein wrestlers. Scott Steiner. Oh, they're not. Their name's not Frankenstein. Their names are Steiner. Scott Steiner, and they created the move Frankensteiner, which is basically like was just a copy of another move. Steiner. They're like brothers. I think they're WCW. WCW was like, for some reason, WWF was like cooler. Was like way cooler than WCW. But I think, for some reason, I never watched WWF because, for some reason, either I didn't have the channel or something, or it was like on too late. Yeah, Mankind was so entertaining. Like wrestling, at its prime, like I think 90s was its prime. And The Rock, nowadays it's kind of like, I don't know, it's all drama. Like Stone Cold Steve Austin. Like these guys knew how to entertain. Like they really knew how to entertain. I feel like nowadays there's like no big entertainers. I mean, I could be wrong. I haven't seen it in a while. Jake Paul, I can't believe he's the reason why it's falling apart. He's literally just doing it to promote Prime. Like, there's no other reason why he really wants to do it. He wants to promote Prime. You like Chris Benoit, the Crippler? He like murdered his whole entire family on a boat or something. It's crazy. It was crazy. Chris Benoit. Actually, wrestling, there are like a lot of deaths in wrestling. There were like a lot of deaths. Who was the guy? Owen? I forget his Owen Hart. Owen Hart and the zip line. Like, what was it? Bret Hart? Who was the one that was on the zip line and just like fell to his death on live TV? It's like, oh my goodness! Like, what is going on here? Like, how could they mess that up? You had one job. You had one job. Like, they showed that on live TV, someone plummeting to their death. It's just, oh wow. And you're just like unbelievable. You're like, no way. Nah, that's not real. Like, you're always thinking like he's actually alive and he was actually alive. He's actually alive. Like, you just think that's how they fake their deaths. But man, crazy. Generation X. I think that was also like probably one of the most influential things like in my childhood. I think I was like middle school or something, but Generation X, that was like so fun because everyone was doing, yeah, everyone was doing the suck it, like Xing like their crotch. Everyone was doing it. I got in trouble doing, yeah. I think like eventually get like got banned, like you weren't allowed to do it anymore.
2,500 tick trap.
This price action is absolute doo doo caca. I can't trade this. Unfortunately, down 616. Man, I really wanted a green day today. I was up 8 hundo, and then after a few losing trades, now we're down 616. The moment you turn to TPT accounts, it turns to doo doo caca. It's just not much you can do about it. It's the name of the game. Name of the game. Absolutely. That's just the name of the game. There's a lot of news this week. Maybe the market's waiting for news. Like, we have news on Tuesday, news on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It's news every single day this week. This is the only day there's no news. So sometimes the market's like doesn't do much because it's just waiting for news. Like, might as well wait for news here. Brock Lesnar was a unit. He actually like joined the UFC. Like, he was legit. He's like a legit like D1 wrestler. Like, someone at that size being like a D1 wrestler, that's insane. He was good in the UFC. If he actually like started with legitimate fighting, he would probably been one of the best. He's so athletic at that size, but I just don't think like, obviously when you're pro wrestling and these guys have been like fighting for years and training the actual fighting like to hurt people, like, he doesn't stand a chance in the skill. Hold up. The poll says 56% of you guys thought China was attracted from WWF. I guess when you look at pictures of her now, she looks kind of crazy. But back then, she was not as like.
5-minute trap.
Yeah, I guess she was a little bit attractive back then. You try to fill this gap, but I didn't quite get there. Oh, I thought Brock lost to Frank Mir. I thought Frank Mir put him in like a leg lock or something. That's what I remember, at least. Oh, China died? Oh, I had no idea. I saw her recently, like in like a YouTube short or something. I thought she was alive. Oh darn! I didn't know that. Well, rest in peace. This is one girl in the WWE. I guess it's all WWE now, right? There's only one. She looks like what's that girl? The Barbie girl. WWE women wrestlers. All right, 2024, sure. Is it Liv Morgan? Yeah, Liv Morgan. This girl looks so much like She looks like almost identical to man, what's the Barbie girl name? Margot Robbie. Like it's like side by side, you almost can't even tell the difference. I don't know what's going. We're still in this like this vortex here. No trade zone. It's like tariffs are right here. All the tariffs are in this no trade zone here. Yeah, Margot Robbie. Liv Morgan. This girl looks identical to her, to me at least. All right, fail second entry long. Let's see. Let's see if we get something here. I'll take a fail second entry long here. We're not getting it. We're not getting our setup. Now if it triggers a little too far away. We're still in this vortex. Like, you're better off just going long here, to be honest still, but let's see. Let's see. All right, one chance here. Let's see if we get something. Fail second entry long. Coming outside of this trading range. It has to be this fail second entry long. There's no other way. I'm going to take this trade because it's already in a really bad situation. It's already in a really bad like price action here. Last trade of the stream. Let's get it. It's a bad looking signal bar. Really bad looking signal bar here. It's not looking. It's a bad setup. Bad looking setup. Bad signal bar. Fails second entry long though. Maybe get back to this trend line here. We shall see. Let's get a 1-to-1 at least. Let it cook to a 1-to-1. Okay, strong bear bar. Anyone's low. Fortunately, it snaps back up. Not much you can do about it. Snaps back up. It snaps back up. It is what it is. You gotta make the 1-to-1 at least, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, if it reverses here, it is what it is. I can't do much about it. You gotta go get the 1-to-1. You gotta get the 1-to-1 at least on this trade. If you can't get the 1-to-1, then just forget about it. Snaps back up like that. I almost want the 1 to 2 now because it did that. And now I can take my risk off, right? Because it kind of like retraced already. I'll take my risk off now. I think we're okay. I think it kind of like retraced. It did its retracement already. I could be wrong. It could retrace again. Who knows? Let's make a little bamboo here though, if we can. Get back to the bottom of this support here. 3 bounces. The 1 to 1 might be all you get here. It's a shame. Want a little bit more because we already had a retracement, big retracement. So I felt like maybe that was the only retracement we're gonna get. But unfortunately, we're getting like another retracement right after that, and it's probably taking me out, break even, and then push down again. It's just one. It's gonna be one of those. I've seen it like mold, like this happen countless times. It's taking me out, break even, and push back down. Ah. Yeah, takes my break even, push back down. It's just it happens so many times. It's just you could pretty much predict it at this point. I should have taken out the 1 to 1, maybe re-entered again, and try to get that second push down. I should have done that. I got a little greedy. I just saw this I saw this first retracement. I just thought that was gonna be enough for the retracement, but it wanted to retrace again, obviously, with 5 overlapping bars in a row. I mean, that's the type of price action we have today. Honestly, I shouldn't even be trading. Like, I literally just called everything that just happened exactly how it was going to happen. I just didn't trade it. I didn't trade how I called it, which is stupid. I should have just traded it how I thought it was going to happen. Unfortunate. I should have traded exactly how I thought it was going to happen because it did exactly that. It's just so predictable. Right? It makes the 1 to 1, snaps back up, takes your runners out, and then pushes down again. So I should have just got my 1 to 1, re-entered at the break even, and then hold it for the 1 to 2. At this point, I can come up break even now. Like I really want to wait for a good setup, but I don't know. I think that was it. I think that's all I'm gonna get. I have like a limited amount of time. I can't trade all day, which I wish I could, but I cannot. And on a day like today, do you even want to trade all day? I don't know. On a day like today, do you even want to trade all day? I do not know, to be honest. All right. Let's just see. I want to see what happens here. Either we break this high. I'm done. Or we break this low. I'm done. So let's see. Ending the stream. Down 630. All good. We'll get it tomorrow. We'll get it when the price action is better. Like, there's absolutely no reason to keep trading this. Terrible price action. Let's call it a day. Take the hit. Move on. Like, the moment I entered, I used my TPT Pro Plus accounts. It turned into this. Like, absolute doo-doo caca. It is what it is. All right, pandas. It is what it is. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hey, at least, right? Apex accounts, we absolutely killed it. We're killing it 6 days in a row, making more than $1,500 a day. Like 6 days in a row, making more than $1,500 a day. Like that is in itself like such a unbelievable achievement. Like even for me, like I can just say like I'm quite proud of myself. I'm not trying to be prideful, but I'm quite proud that I'm able to enter into a place where I can get 6 days in a row, 1,500. Like making 1,500 used to be difficult, right? That used to be like very hard for me, but now I'm making 6 days in a row. So that's kind of like the progression that we're having here, and it's just amazing because we're getting to payouts, and with payouts, then we're gonna have even a bigger buffer after the payouts, which is great because we're gonna need it, especially when we're gonna try to pass. We have 5 more accounts. We're gonna add 5 more accounts after this payout, and after that, we're going to try to get to payouts again, and then the final goal: 3 payouts in a row, pandas. That's the final goal. 3 payouts in the third payout. We're gonna have 20 accounts. We're gonna have up to 20 accounts in that third payout, It's gonna be crazy, right? It's gonna be crazy with 20 accounts. 20 accounts, $500 payout. Right, minimum. Right, it's $10,000. It's a $10,000 payout. Maximum. We can potentially pull out $55,000. If we can get to that third payout and we pull out max on the 150K accounts, we could potentially at one time pull out $55,000. Do you believe? Do you believe we're gonna get there? That's the goal. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. We have news tomorrow. Jolt's job openings at 10 a.m. We'll be trading at the time. Be great. Hopefully, get some volatility because of that. But with that being said, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading, guys. Bye.
Target filled.